Hey traders, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to remove indicators from your chart in the TradingView mobile application. So let's get started. First, open your TradingView app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the chart tab at the bottom. Now look for the indicator line you want to remove like SMA, RSI, MACD, etc. Tap directly on the indicator name or line on the chart. When the mini settings box pops up, tap the delete icon and just like that, the indicator will disappear from your chart. And that's how you can quickly remove any indicator from your TradingView chart. You can also remove indicators all at once. Tap on the pencil icon at the bottom of the chart. Now swipe left to see an option called remove. Tap on it. Here you can actually find an option to remove indicators. Okay, and that's how you can quickly remove any indicator from your TradingView chart. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more TradingView mobile tutorials. Comment below if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.